In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Higgsfield. If you need to update your password because you forgot it, want something more secure, or just want to refresh your login details, this process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do from start to finish. First, if you're already signed into your Higgsfield account, go ahead and sign out. This is important because the password reset process is usually done from the login screen, not from inside an active session. Once you've signed out, head over to the Higgsfield login page. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password option and click it. This will take you into the password recovery flow. From there, enter the email address linked to your Higgsfield account. Make sure you type the correct email address because that's where the reset instructions or verification code will be sent. After entering your email, click Send Code or continue with the option shown to request the password reset. At this point, Higgsfield will send you the next step instructions by email. Open your inbox and look for the message from Higgsfield. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and also check your spam, junk, or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. Once the email arrives, follow the instructions provided. In some cases, you may receive a verification code. If that happens, return to the password reset screen and enter the code exactly as shown. Be careful with capitalization or extra spaces if applicable, and make sure you're using the most recent code if more than one email was sent. Next, create your new password and confirm it. Try to choose a strong password that's hard to guess but still memorable for you. A good tip is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed. Also, avoid reusing an old password if possible. After entering and confirming the new password, click Change Password or Reset Password, depending on which button appears on your screen. Once the change is accepted, your password update is complete. Finally, sign in to your Higgsfield account using your new password. If the login works, that confirms everything has been updated successfully, and that's all it takes to change your password on Higgsfield.